So in class today, someone asked me an interesting question. They were asking, should I multiply both the 2x minus 3 and the x plus 1 by this 2? And to explain it, I asked a question. I said, well, consider this. If I was looking at 2 times 3 times 4, do I multiply the 2 times both the 3 and the 4? And the answer is no, right? 3 times 4 is 12. That's 12. And 2 times 12 is 24. But also, I could go 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 times 4, 12 times 2 is 24. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 4 is also 24. And I can also look at 2 times 4, which is 8, and then 8 times 3 is still 24. So when you have 3 things that are being multiplied together, it doesn't really matter the order in which you multiply them. I could go ahead and multiply this 2x plus 3 times the 2, and then proceed, or I can multiply the entire thing by 2 at the end. I think I'm going to opt to multiply everything by 2 at the end. So let's go ahead and get this product first. And to organize myself, I'm going to use a generic area model. Most of you can get away without using those, and that's great. I'm just using it for organization. So I'm multiplying 2x minus 3 times x plus 1. This is 2x squared. This is negative 3x. This is a positive 2x. And finally, this is negative 3. These are like terms, so I can combine them. And I get a product of, don't forget there's a 2 outside, but I have a 2x squared minus a single x, and then minus 3. And if I multiply everything by 2, I have an answer of 4x squared minus 2x, and then minus 6. So that's the product after I multiply. I'm just supposed to simplify this expression, so I'm going to go through and I guess use the distributive property and then collect some like terms. So when I distribute this 2 to the negative 2x times the negative x, I get 4x squared is 2x squared, and then plus a 2x. I do have a minus 5x. This is just the number 9. Right? 3 squared is 9, and then minus 4x squared. And you can see that we do have some like terms. I've got a 4x squared and a negative 4x squared, so those cancel. I have no x squareds in my simplified form. I have a 2x and a negative 5x, so that looks like negative 3x to me. And then finally there is this plus 9. So the simplified expression is negative 3x plus 9.